I have 10 expert cleaning tips for you when it comes to a clean hole. I consider myself a bit of an expert here. So for example, do you know what all those holes are for? How about this hole? Or what about the hole in the back of your refrigerator? Yeah, you're gonna wanna check that one periodically. On this channel, I've created over 747 cleaning videos, and with 4 kids, I've cleaned a lot of additional holes. And let's see if you know all 10. Thumbs up if you do. And anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below for you. Starting with number 10, you know I have to save the best for last. I'm scared to show you. You have too much clutter and stuff. Now you certainly could be like Jeff Bezos and basically have nothing in your home. That's cool too. Your house will always be clean. But if you are like the majority of us and myself, you have too many items. Yes, this is my legitimate closet. Why? Because we have no garage space. But we certainly need to go through all of these items in here. Golfing, snowing, party supplies, fitness, filming. By the way, I do have a fitness YouTube channel for quick and effective home workouts linked in that description box below. Hunting, moving, winter tires, boating, and boxes upon boxes. You may be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, well, you're supposed to be the expert when it comes to all things keeping your home clean, but here's the key. I have a plan, and you must too have a plan. We moved into this house in a frenzy, and we are going to be building a home, so I cannot yet get rid of all of the boxes, and our future home will have more garage space for all of these items that you use various times throughout the year. I do have a bonus freebie for you here at the end I'll talk about. Have no fear, my friend, I got you covered. Head on over to bagster.com. All you have to do is enter your zip code. These are very popular in my area. You can also read the customer reviews. You basically fill up your bag with all the items that you no longer need, and they are kindly taken away from your home for a fee. You certainly could give Got Junk a try, but in my experience, they are highly overpriced. But if you've ever seen random large bags in people's driveways, now you know what they're for. How do you typically get into your house? Front door or your garage door? And what happens when you come in your front door? Everybody puts their shoes down. And because first impressions are so important, I'm gonna help you solve this situation. You may have an area near your garage that starts to look a bit messy and junky. I mean, what's going on with all these shoes? I always keep a cheap Dollar Tree basket so that when this gets full, I can quickly take it to the thrift store. And once you've decluttered, you want the proper tools to organize all of your favorite shoes. I love this bamboo rack that I got from Amazon. It's 4-tier. I love on the back how it has a little lip. That way your shoes don't just fall off the back, and it fits perfectly in my entryway closet. I also found on Amazon an amazing over-the-door shoe organizer. It is a best-seller. It has 24 pockets and can hold up to 40 pounds. It also comes in a lot of different colors and has over 15,000 ratings. Or how about this 12-pack shoe organizer? This too is a bestseller, and it is currently 31% off the last that I checked, and it has over 9,000 reviews. Ah, much better. If you want to see a really satisfying kitchen declutter video, I'll link that down below. Or how about an Amazon kitchen organization video? What is one of the dirtiest places in your house? Besides light switches, your toilet, and your remote control. I'm going to show you a little trick here in just a second where you're going to say to yourself that I've lost my dang mind, or maybe you're going to give it a thumbs up and say I can relate to that one. But do not wear your shoes in your house. And in fact, in many cultures, they actually take their shoes off outside. They don't even bring them into their home. You can see here I'm a little obsessed. So if you love all things cleaning, then you are definitely in the right spot. Make sure that you subscribe. I love this for carpeting and for rugs. Made an entire video on this. I will link it below. Also, this Bissell steam cleaner, it also vacuums. Great for tile floors. Yes, all natural cleaning right there, my friend. And this Tinko is my latest and greatest best friend. You can use it on any flooring, tile, wood, laminate, you name it. It does it all. We're gonna have a party together. Here's my little trick. Every morning as a part of my morning cleaning routine, I grab a can of Lysol or some Autoban, and I just spray the door handle right here for my garage, and I spray down this rug because guess what's on the bottom of those shoes that are in bathrooms, public areas? Yes, nasty. And in our number 7 spot, it's to do less more often. In particular, your laundry. So what I want you to do is grab your favorite podcast or your favorite favorite music, grab a speaker, grab your earbuds, whatever your liking is, and every day at 3 p.m. you're gonna implement a little trick that I like to do that keep me on top of my multiple baskets of laundry. See you at 3 p.m. In fact, this little trick has helped reduce my laundry time by 82%. Okay, thumbs up right now if you're guilty of this. You wait for all your laundry to pile up and then you pick one day on the weekend. By the way, who wants to do laundry on the weekend? One day on the weekend to fold all of that laundry. Not anymore, my friend. One of the best ways to make a space more organized, particularly a closet, is to 1, declutter, but 2, get matching hangers. So I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes, put on some songs, have some fun, and change this all out. I recently did my own that looks so good. The bonus, once you've organized your space, it makes you want to keep it that way. Now I just need to do my 2-year-old's room, but that's for a later time. Every night we run the dishwasher and then my husband takes them out the next morning. And I have a clear counter rule. Every evening we clear off all the counters because it's so nice the next morning to wake up to a clean kitchen and enjoy your coffee. My number 5 tip for having a clean home is to allow people to help you. So growing up, my job in high school was to load and unload the dishwasher. Now it's my husband's. Let us know in that comments box below what your chore was growing up. Number 4 on the list is to have clever and helpful cleaning products that make your job easier. So for example, these e-cloths, I love them for cleaning your windows. All you need is this and water. This Shark vacuum, this is my second new best friend. I use this for stairs. I use this in my car. I use this in around these corners down here that your vacuum does not get. Ooh, by the way, Mama's got a mop. Actually, I have a mopping video that I'm queuing up for, so I'm letting my floors go for a little bit. Stay tuned for that one. And then this Bissell Steam Shot, all natural cleaning at its finest. Now, I did not buy all of these products at once, but they are great Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, if you love that sort of thing. I love that sort of thing. And then you just accumulate them over time. In fact, my floors have never been so clean since I got the tin coat. And my number 3 expert home cleaning tip is to always make your bed. When you do, your room will look 80% cleaner just by doing that. However, do not make your bed first thing in the morning. Let it air out. All the sweat and bacteria accumulates if you cover it up right away. Let it air out for about 10-15 minutes. In just a second here, I'm going to show you some really cool tips and tricks when it comes to I love this volcano linen spray. It makes your room smell so nice. And then when you come in at the end of the day, your pillows are amazing. If you love something more all natural, I did find a chamomile lavender best-selling spray on Amazon. Also, I do like to use this tucker. This is fun for getting those nice tight lines at the bottom of your bed. And then moving over here really quickly, this is one of the softest bath shower robes that I have ever gotten before. It is also a bestseller on Amazon. And then just to keep the smells going on for longer and stronger, this amazing reed diffuser is also so beautiful by the bed. How long does this take me in real time, you might be asking yourself? About 5 minutes, just depending upon how particular I'm going to get about all the creases and crimps and things. If it's been a stressful day with all 4 kids, you may see me out here with my steamer. Just kidding. Cleaning really is therapy for me. But as previously mentioned, clear your counters. Yes, my friend, clear your counters. This is our tech drawer. If you need a great way to organize all of your cords, these kitty ones are super cute. Anything that needs to go upstairs makes its way right here, and the next person to walk up the stairs will put them in their home. Do you have a million water bottles in your house? Well, this is our water bottle collection station, so it has a designated area. And my number 10 tip is to make sure every item in your home has a specific home. That way you know where it always goes. You can accept the help around your house. It makes cleaning easy because you don't have to think about it because you know where its home is. Head on over to AndreaJeanCleaning.com for your free 30-day decluttering challenge. This is gonna make it so you do not have to think about what you need to clean in your house. It's fun to cross things out. It makes it more manageable. I will also have this link for you in the description box below. If you want to see an amazing Amazon kitchen organizational video, click this video on screen now. Or if you're looking for 40 clever gift ideas, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.